Hi guys, welcome to another video from Bellydance with Tahira series. Today we will do another traveling step. In Polish it is called the Egyptian step. I am not sure about the English name, so I will use this English translation of the Polish name. And the Egyptian step is not so sophisticated as the name suggests. In fact, it's really quite simple and nice to perform. So we will be making steps to the front and to the back with one leg, while the other leg is making steps on place on spot. So we start with the right leg and we go front on spot, back on spot, front on spot, back on spot, front and back and front and back and front and back and of course the same goes for the left leg. So left leg goes to the front and to the back, the right leg is making steps in one place. So front and back and front and back and front and back and front and back and as you see, it's simple and it can be quite boring. So what is most common with this step is to use it to put on it other elements. And what we can do, because we already learned it in this series, is for example shoulder shimmy. So we just turn on the shoulder shimmy and we do it while making the Egyptian step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same starting from the left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another thing we can already add because we already know it, is hip accents. So it will be like walking with hip accents, but we are not in fact walking all around, but we are walking front and back along, of course, with the Egyptian step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same for the left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is how you do the Egyptian step, along with some nice additions. Let me know in the comments down below if you managed to do the Egyptian step, and also if you have any more questions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to be notified about all new videos on my channel. Thank you very much for your time and I'll see you next week. Bye!